Okay friends, now let us see another important topic which is called permutations and combinations. Okay, so before permutations and combinations we need to understand a concept called factorial. So let us see the concept factorial. See, what do you mean by factorial? The continuous product of first n natural numbers. First n natural numbers is called factorial and it is denoted by n factorial or, so in this way also we can represent. So n factorial in the sense n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into until so on up to 1. The product of first n natural numbers in decreasing order. Okay, fine. So I can write from here as n minus 1 factorial because from here also every number is decreasing. So this is also called as n minus 1 factorial. So n factorial equal to n into n minus 1 factorial, right? So now what is 0 factorial friends? It's always 1. Remember, 0 factorial is 1. I will prove you, don't worry. 1 factorial equals to 1, 2 factorial is 2, 3 factorial is 6. That is nothing but 3 factorial in the sense 3 into 2 into 1. 4 factorial, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is nothing but 24. In the same way, 5 factorial, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 120. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 factorials are given here. And here, this is nothing but 2n factorial. 2n factorial is nothing but 2 power n into n factorial into 1 into 3 into 5 so on until 2n minus 1, where 2n minus 1 is the this is also called as the general term of an odd number, right? So in this case you remember these formulas friends. So I told you that I will prove the 0 factorial, right? So we have already seen this formula that n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial, right or not? So how can I write this? N minus 1 factorial equal to n will come down, right? N factorial by n. Yes or no? If I keep 1 here in the place of n, put n equals to 1. If I keep 1 here, 1 minus 1 factorial equals to 1 factorial by 1. That is nothing but 0 factorial equal to, what is 1 factorial friends? 1, right? So 1 by 1, that is nothing but 1. So in this way we can prove what 0 factorial is. Okay friends, so this is the way, just understand the factorial concept and learn these values. Fine. Now let us see in the other way also we can say about the 0 factorial equals to 1 friends. See, this 0 factorial equal to 1 proof, they might ask you in the interview process. In the interview, like when you go for IITs for doing your masters, or when you are going for any sort of company interviews, if they ask you to prove the 0 factorial equal to 1, you can show this. See friends, 5 factorial equals to, how can we write? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Am I right or not? If I keep 5 factorial here, what I will get? 5 factorial by this 5 keeping here, what I am getting? The remaining terms are 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Am I right or not? This is nothing but 4 factorial, right? Yes or no? So 4 factorial in the sense 5 factorial by 5. So what do you mean by 3 factorial then? 4 factorial by 4. Yes or no? That means if 4 comes down here, 3 to 1 is the remaining one. That is nothing but 3 to 1. Yes or no? Now if 3 comes here, 3 factorial by 3, that is nothing but 2 factorial equals to, how can I write? 3 factorial by 3? 3, 4, 4. 4, 5, 5. In the sense 2, 3, 3. So this is nothing but 2 into 1, right? Next, if 2 comes here, 1 factorial. What is a 1 factorial friends? 1 factorial in the sense 2 factorial by 2. This number plus 1. Right, then only these two will come. So this is nothing but 1. So how will 0 factorial comes? 1 means 2 by 2, 2 means 3 by 3, 3 means 4 by 4, 4 means 5 by 5. Like 0 means 1 factorial by 1. That is nothing but already 1 factorial value is 1. 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. So in this way we can say that 0 factorial equals to 1 friends. So this is the way you need to understand. You have to prove like this. Okay friends. Okay, now let us see what permutations is. Friends, permutations are nothing but arrangements, right? So I can say that an arrangement that can be formed by taking some or all of a finite set of things or objects is called permutations. Some or all of finite set of things is nothing but a permutation, friends. Suppose I have five benches. I can arrange them in an order. Right, first bench, second bench, third bench, fourth bench, fifth bench. I can arrange them in an order in a 5 factorial ways, right friends? See friends, order is important in permutation. Order is very important. In certain order we have to arrange. Generally we have 2 types of permutations. First thing is linear permutation and circular permutation. Linear permutation will be in a straight line. In this way we can arrange. Circular permutation in the sense in a round table we will arrange, friends. So both are having different formulas. Let us see those formulas and after that let us see some problems. Okay, Okay, now let us see the important properties of permutations. So generally friends, permutation formula is NPR equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. Suppose if there are 10 members, I have to select 3 members. I have a cricket team of 10 members. Now first 2 battings I have to select 2 members, let us suppose. So out of 10 members, in how many ways I can arrange it? 2 members, I have not selection here, arrangement, right? So 10PR, NPR is nothing but n factorial by n minus r factorial. Now I have to arrange it. See friends, I have 10 cricket players. So who is the first batting? Who is the second batting? Who is the third batting? In order to select the cricket team from 16 members to 10 members, we go for selection. There are 16 members in the form. I have to select 10 members to play in the cricket team in this match today. So that selection is combination. Now out of this selection, the selected members, who belongs to first batting, who will go for second batting, who will go to for third batting, fourth batting. In the same way, in that is nothing but arrangement of members in an order, right? That is nothing but an arrangement. So out of 10, first 2 battings, 10 P2, how many ways I can arrange? 10 factorial by 10 minus 2 factorial is nothing but 8 factorial. In that way we will proceed. Okay, fine. Now let us see the properties. NPN equals to n factorial, that is nothing but 5 factorial, right? 5p naught, 3p naught. When 0 is there in the place of r, definitely the value will become 1. Next, NPR equals to, we can also write as n minus 1 PR plus r into n minus 1 p r minus 1. Or let us suppose if n minus 1 is n here, npr plus r into npr minus 1, then this will become n plus 1 pr. Okay friends, next one. NPR by NPR minus 1 gives n minus r plus 1 friends. Suppose 5p3 by 5p2. This is different, reduced by 1, n is same. So how can we say this? 5 minus r value is 3 plus 1, that is nothing but 2 plus 1, that is nothing but 3. So in this way we will say, right? No need of substituting this formula again, getting cancelled, no need. Directly apply this rule. Next one, NPR by n minus 1 PR minus 1. Here what he is saying, 5p3 by 4p2. This is also reduced and this is also reduced. Then the answer will be 5. N, right? Next one, if npr minus 1 by a equal to npr by b equal to npr plus 1 by c, then b square equal to a into b plus c. This is a very important note friends. There is a chance of asking from basing on this property. Okay, next one, 1 into 1p1 plus 2 into 2p2 plus 3 into 3p3 so on, n into npn is equal to n plus 1 p n plus 1 minus 1. This is also another important property. Please note down these properties and read them thoroughly so that you can these properties will help you in solving questions. Okay, now let us see few problems on permutations and combinations. But first question is basing on the factorial problem. See friends, if at all, if I could say 5p4, how can I find this value? 5 factorial by 5 minus 4 factorial. Friends, don't need of using the entire complicated method. See, as a shortcut is there. So starting with 5, do multiplication until 4 digit comes. 5, 1 digit, 4, 3, 2, that's all. This will be equal to this value. Okay, suppose 6p2. In the sense, we write at 6 factorial by 6 minus 2 factorial, right? So how can I write this? 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 whole divided by 6 minus 2 is 4 factorial. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is nothing but simply it will get cancelled, right? So ultimately remaining is 6 into 5 only. How would we can write? Starting with 6, write 2 digits. 6, 5. That's all. 1, 2. Okay. So in this way we can proceed the NPR problems. So in the same way, NP4 in the sense starting with n, multiply first 4 digits. In the sense n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3. That's all. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 digits, right? So how can I write 1680? So 168 into 10. Can I write like this? Okay. Next, how can I write 168? 12 4s are 168, right? Next, how can I write 14? 2 7s are 14, right? And 6 2s are 12 equal to 2 into 5. Now 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s 4 2s 8. So 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. These are consecutive natural numbers in decreasing order. So this is n, this is n minus 1, this is n minus 2 and this is n minus 3. So what is the value of n friends here? 8. So in this way we move forward. This is a very important question. This is the basic one. Once check it. So next question friends, 12PR equal to 1320, find R. Okay, see now we have seen NP some number and we have found the N value. Now he is asking R value. This R value represents number of terms multiplied. So how can I write this friends? Starting should be number 12. So 132 into 10, right? So 132 I can write as 12 into 11 into 10, right or not? So starting number is 12. So how many times it came? 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers came. So what is the value of R? That is nothing but 3. So in this way we find R value. Okay friends. Okay. Next question here. N plus 1 P5 is to NP5 equals to 3 is to 2. Find N value. So it gave in the ratio. I have to find the N value. See friends, how can I write this? N plus 1 P5 whole divided by NP5 equals to 3 by 2. Am I right? So how can I write this? N plus 1 is reduced until 5 times. Here N reduced until 5 times. So N plus 1 first term, next one is reduced, it means minus 1 is nothing but N plus 1 minus 1 is N. Next one, N minus 1, 3 came, 4 and this is 5, right? 5 terms came from reducing N from N plus 1. Here also N into N minus 1 into N minus 2 into N minus 3 into N minus 4 equals to 3 by 2. Am I right? So these 4 gets cancelled. So N plus 1 by N minus 4 equals to 3 by 2. So what it will become? 2 into N plus 1 is equal to 3 into N minus 4. Yes or no? So 2N plus 2 equals to 3N minus 12. Right? So 3N minus 12. So how can I write 3N? This 2N goes that side and 12 plus 2. Yes. So N equals to 14. So this is the way in order to find the N value. Fine. Right. Go through this. Okay, now let us see another important thing. It's a very interesting concept. See friends, if 56p R plus 1 is to 54p R plus 3 equals to 30,800 is to 1, find the value of R. Okay, fine. So it has given the ratio, right? So 56p R plus 6 whole divided by 54p R plus 3 equals to 30,800 by 1. Yes, so now 56 factorial by 56 minus R plus 6 factorial whole divided by, so how can I write this? 54 factorial by 54 minus R plus 3 factorial equals to 30,800. Yes or no? So how can I write? So how can I write this? Yeah. See friends. 56 factorial by, this is nothing but 50 minus R minus 6, nothing but 50 minus R factorial. Here 54 factorial by, how much? 54 minus R minus 3, that is nothing but 51 minus R. So 51 minus R factorial is nothing but 30,800. Yeah. So now, how can I write 56 factorial friends? 56 into 55 into 54 factorial. Can I write like that? Yes. Divided by 50 minus R factorial whole divided by 54 factorial divided by 51 minus R factorial is equal to 30,800. So now these two gets cancelled. How can I write this? 56 into 55 into this term goes up, 51 minus R factorial divided by 50 minus R factorial. Yes or no? So now if I could subtract this with minus 1, if I move forward, can I get 50 minus R factorial in this term? Yes, I will get. So 56 into 55 into 51 minus R into 51 minus R minus 1 is 50 minus R factorial whole divided by 50 minus R factorial equals to 30,800. So these two terms gets cancelled. So what is the remaining term? 56 into 55 into 51 minus R equals to 30,800. So 51 minus R is equal to 30,800 whole divided by 56 into 55. So at which table? Let us cancel it in 5 table. 5 6 are 30, 5 1s are 5 and 5 6 are 30, 0, 5 11s. Next, 6 5s are 5 11s are 55, 6 is the remainder, so 11 6 are 66, 0, 56 10s are 560. So 51 minus r equals to 10. So what is the value of r, friends? 51 minus 10, that is nothing but 41. So the value of r is 41. So this is the way in order to approach in these problems. Okay, next one. So next question, friends. N plus 1 P5 is to NP6 equals to 2 is to 7. Find the n value, and he has given the 4 options. So fine. See friends, so n plus 1 P5, right? So how can I write this to do things? N plus 1 P5 whole divided by NP6 is to 2 by 7. Yes or no? Yes. Now how can I write n plus 5? N plus 1 into n minus 1, n minus 2 into n minus 3. So I got 5 terms, right or not? Yes. Now see friends, so NP6 in the sense n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4 into n minus 5. So these are the 6 terms I got finally. So 2 by 7. Yes or no? So now how can I cancel these 3? These 4 can I cancel? Yes. Now n plus 1 whole divided by n minus 4 into n minus 5 equals to 2 by 7. Now friends, don't go for cross multiplication and multiplication, friends, because he has already given options for us. So first keep the 10 in the place of n value. Let us check it is equal to 2 by 7 or not. Keep 10, friends, here. Suppose 10 plus 1 whole divided by 10 minus 4 into 10 minus 5. How much? So 11 by 6 into 5. So 11 by 30 is coming. So 11 by 30 is not equal to 2 by 7. So 10 is not the option. Next one. Second option. So keep 11 here in place of n. So 11 plus 1 whole divided by 11 minus 4 into 11 minus 5. That is nothing but 12 divided by 7 into 6. 6 to 12. So yes, 2 by 7 is coming. So when we keep 11 in the place of n, 2 by 7 comes. Hence the option is 11. Go through the options wise. Don't solve the question. Just verify the options, friends. That's all.